He has also PayPal. No problem. You can pay
Okay.
through
Well,
PayPal
I,
also.
I know PayPal. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So my name is Paravi, Mr. Shozib and me. We are teammate, and previously we talked with you for YouTube marketing related work. And one of your video we done as a trial basis, and you I think satisfied with that. And now you want to talk with us for the our monthly package. Am I correct?
That's correct.
Yeah. So our monthly package is in monthly package we will optimize your 30 video, and for the whole month, I mean 30 days, we will optimize and observe your videos and manage your channels and optimize your videos. 30 days we will optimize and it costs 300 USD. And our payment system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% upfront and next rest of the amount after completing the work. Okay.
Okay. So you said 300 for 30 days,
Yeah. And for 30 videos.
for 30 days and 30 videos.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when we work for you, we will observe all of the thing and we will suggest you what should you do and what should improve and what you focus on, and we also research you some competitors, and we will work as a manager of your channels, and overall we will overall taking care of your channels, and definitely it would be our first priority to grow your channels and increase your subscribers. Our main thing is our client satisfactions, so we believe that if we provide you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day. So we believe it. Okay.
Well, I like what you did, but I can't do 300. Um, I could do 200. And then once the channel is actually monetized and can make money on its own, then I can definitely add in back to the other 300 because then the actual podcast is making money from itself. Um, that's just, what I'm saying, just looking at financials for what's going on right now. If that's possible and we could get an agreement with that, then we could start that today. And like I said, as soon as we hit the mark of the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours where we can turn on ads for the channel, then I would definitely like to go to the 300 and get you a full price of what you're able to do. Just that the podcast will be able to help put that cost basically. And I
Okay.
believe that looking at what you did with the one video, that could probably go pretty quickly looking at what was done with the one video and the number of people that was able to reach with that. Definitely on the watch hours part of it. So that's just my counter to that one. Because again, I do respect what you've done and see the value of what you're doing. But at the end of the day, if the money's not there, the money's not there. But this is what I could do. I could do 200 until the podcast is monetized. And then once we hit that goal, move to the 300 that you're speaking of today and keep moving with that for duration.
Okay. Okay. So almost our package price is similar for all of our client, but as you are requesting and you are going through financial issues and you are not earning any money from YouTube, so no problem. For the beginning, we can start with the 200, and then if you earn and if you gain something from your YouTube, then we will next time we will, when you hire us, then we will work for 300 USD. No problem. We receive money through Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. This is the payment gateway. So, which method you can pay?
I'm sorry, you said Western Union, but I wasn't catching the other one.
Western Union and Remitly and Payoneer
Pioneer.
and Remitly.
Okay, I guess it'd be Western Union because I don't know those other ones.
Okay,
Can you
if
send?
if you don't know this payment gateway, you will get a lot of tutorials on YouTube, or our team member will also guide you. No problem. He has also PayPal. No problem. You can pay
Okay,
through PayPal
well,
also.
I know PayPal. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So after finishing the meeting, Mr. Shozib will send his payment details. Then you can pay 50% advance, and to start the work, you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. But if you do not want to give your channel access, you can just send 30 video links to us. Then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself.
Well, he already has the editor limited access currently.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's okay. So
That's why
for
he's able to optimize the video he did.
okay, okay, okay. So everything is sounds good. So further communication will go through your Gmail. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will send his payment details.
Okay. Or you have a contract that we can sign with this to solidify what we're speaking about today, that the expectation of 200 until the channel is monetized, and then we'll move to the 300 price moving forward after that one. Just so we can have that in writing, just so that, I know what you're agreeing to, you know what I'm agreeing to, and we kind of, are level setting on our expectations.
Yeah, if you want, you can write an agreement. Then our team member will sign it and resend it. No, no problem. But this subscription is not mandatory for continuing. If you think you want to cancel thus that subscription anytime, you can cancel it. No problem.
Okay. What I'm just saying is that, yeah, I want to make sure that we had in writing the expectations. Like, I know what we're speaking about today, and I know it's being recorded on video today with this meeting. I just want to make sure that we had it in writing that I'm going lower than your expectation of 300 currently until we meet that mark, and then move it to the 300. Saying this, that we have it in, a contract basically, just so, again, it's not later on come out that I'm saying something different than you're saying, or vice versa. Like, I'm expecting 40 videos in 30 days because that's not what you have agreed to. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I
Do you
see.
do
I
you
see.
have a contract written up, but so we can have all of these details in writing, and so we can sign that? So, again, so both parties, you and I, are protected and understand what each other's needing and wanting to do a good business venture together.
Yeah, yeah, I see. So no problem. So you can send these written
Or if you need
documents.
me to write that up, I can do that myself. That's fine too.
Yeah, if you want, if you can write also. But if you want from our side, then we also can send. No problem.
Okay, good deal. Yeah,
Okay.
I appreciate it. Again, it's just good business, and make sure that, again, I'm wanting to be protected just as much as I want you to be protected in this agreement. I believe that we can do good business together. But again, business is business. And if it's not in writing, it doesn't hold up, is what I'm trying to say. So
Yeah, hopefully,
that's my
hopefully.
only sense.
Yeah, hopefully. So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time. And bye for now.
Thank you very much. You have a great day, Dan.
Yeah, bye bye.